So Courtney, this four-door piece comes in standard depth or counter depth. So tell us about this unit.
Yes. So you can get this model in standard depth and counter depth, and then you can get it with door and door or without door and door. So if you open up the fresh food section here, you can see that gorgeous LED light wall, which you can adjust on your Smart HQ app. But the real winner of the show here is going to be this dual dispense autofill pitcher. This holds 60 ounces of fresh filtered water with the pour and the spout. It's BPA free, dishwasher safe. You can go top off the back of your coffee maker, top off the dog's water bowl, take this outside to your patio, and then keep it docked here where it's going to automatically fill. And you can put any large items under here, like those big Stanley cups that everybody loves these days. And then what's also really cool about this is if you have this connected to the Smart HQ app, you can actually track your hydration. So you can see how many ounces of water your family's drinking. And then you also get some cool fun facts in there as well, as like, you've saved this many water bottles from going in the environment, or your family drinks this much more water than an elephant does in a month. So it's just some cute little hydration facts while you're hydrating there.
And I see the bins are very deep. So
Yes.
gallon storage on the door.
Yes,
or
gallon storage on the
plus.
door. These are very durable and heavy, so you can fit all of your heavy items, unlike some of the other door and doors out there today. So all the gallon items, any jars you want, you can fit all your wine bottles up here for those of you who don't finish your wine.
And I do notice the stainless steel on the back wall, so that'll help
Yes.
to maintain temperature, right? So
Yes,
if my gallon
absolutely.
is on the door,
Yes.
I don't have to worry about that temperature fluctuation.
Exactly, which is key. Absolutely.
I think we've got door and door on this unit.
We do. So if you hit this little lever right here and spin this bin out, what's great about this is you can just pick this up and take it out and go take it over to your table. So if you're having chicken tenders and french fries tonight, you can just have all your condiments in here. Your blue cheese, ranch, honey mustard, go take it over to the table and then just pop this right back in. So you can just put that right there.
Courtney, thank you for showing us the new four-door unit that's available in both counter depth and standard depth.
Thank you.